Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about nutritional powerhouse, the orange. Now, we all know, oranges are packed with vitamin C. In fact, just one medium orange contains 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than 100% of the recommended daily intake. But, they are more valuable in keeping our digestive system healthy. Oranges are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help to improve digestion, prevent constipation, and even lower cholesterol levels. Also, it contains compounds called flavonoids, which can have anti-inflammatory effects and may help to protect against certain digestive disorders, such as inflammatory bowel disease. And now for some fun facts. Did you know that oranges were originally cultivated in China, and were considered a luxury item in Europe during the 17th century, and they were often given as Christmas gifts? But wait, there's more! Did you know that the orange is actually a hybrid fruit? It's a cross between a pomelo and a mandarin, which is why it's so juicy and delicious. And speaking of juice, don't be fooled by the idea that orange juice is just as good for you as eating the whole fruit. While orange juice does contain some of the same nutrients as the whole fruit, it's also high in sugar and lacks the fiber that you get from eating the whole fruit. Lastly, studies have shown that oranges can actually help to reduce stress levels. The scent of oranges has been shown to lower anxiety and promote relaxation. In conclusion, oranges are a nutritional powerhouse that everyone should devour. They're delicious, healthy, and come with fascinating facts. What more could you ask for? That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.